Oppo and OnePlus are gearing up to drop some fresh smartwatches next week, but they might be more similar than you think. That's right, these two brands, both under the same Chinese company, often bring out products that are like two peas in a pod, just with different names. So, what's the scoop? OnePlus is set to reveal its hotly anticipated OnePlus Watch 2 on February 26th, while Oppo is following up just 3 days later with the official unveiling of the Watch X. Let's talk design. The Watch X rocks a sleek circular screen housed in a metallic chassis that blends seamlessly with its physical buttons. Oppo's been teasing us with a glimpse or two via their Malaysia channels, but they're keeping tight-lipped about any global or European variants for now. The Oppo Watch X is packing some serious specs. Think a 1.43-inch OLED screen with a crisp 466 by 466 pixel resolution, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chip and running Google Wear OS 4. And let's not forget the color options: Platinum Black and Mars Brown for those who like a bit of variety. But wait, there's more. The Watch X has already snagged the MIIT and 3C certifications, with the model number OWW231 signaling 4G LTE connectivity via eSIM and 10-watt charging capability. Plus, with a robust 500 mAh battery, this bad boy is set to go the distance. And of course, it's loaded with all the health monitoring and sports tracking features you could ask for, including GPS for pinpoint accuracy. With the release just around the corner, we're on the edge of our seats waiting for Oppo to spill the beans and amp up the excitement even more. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of wearables, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tech updates. And as always, thanks for watching.